Good morning, welcome back to Keswick. Doing a walk today which starts in Portinscale. Wasn't my original plan, but a major problem in the lakes is parking. The car park I used yesterday only took cash, and it was by cash I mean coins, and the minimum charge was £5 for 2 hours, so that worked out well for that. But today I went to do another walk and it was the same kind of situations. It was a longer walk and I just don't have that much change in the form of cash, so I come back to the apartment and set out on this one today. It's only a mile to Portinscale from Keswick, so just walking along this way. Yep, that'll do. So this up here is Swinside. Thankfully we're skirting around that today for my poor little legs. But yeah, beautiful. That's a bit of a blow. It's understandable though, because it was quite close to the, I think it's Newlands Burn. It's quite close to the river. Still. I'll go this way instead. Because the road goes over there, that way, to the, I think it's a Swinside Arms pub. Yeah, it's where we should have been down there, but if you can make it out up there, look, all looks flooded there. Maybe get a better look. Don't know if you can make it out, but that's Cat Bells up there. And you can just see, well, I can, but maybe you can. I can see people all along the ridge making their way up to Cat Bells. If you look at in my previous videos, have a search. I've done a short walk up to there. It's quite a strenuous one. You can start in Portinscale where this walk starts. You come in from that side and you just follow all the way up that ridge. It's a beautiful walk. This isn't so bad for a diversion, really. Can't resist one more look at that. Look at that. Moody or what? Beautiful. If you're feeling really energetic on this walk, when we get to the corner there, you have the option to take the path up to Cat Bells, but we'll not be doing that today because of reasons. Llamas in pyjamas. Is that a kids' TV programme? There's a helicopter. Probably can't see that. Yeah. There we go, last drag into Keswick. About half a mile to go. Hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again on the next one.